Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be doing a Spanish Rose makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to be using is this shade here. Okay, then next you want to get a dark purpley colour and finish off the edge of your eye. And if you have any fallout, just cover it up with foundation.
Six and a half hours later.
You can use foundation above just to make sure it looks cleaner. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of gold on my under eye. So you want to use a bit of liquid eyeliner just around the edges of your eyelid just to give a more intense look. Okay, now you want to use some pencil eyeliner on your under eye. but don't come in all the way, only halfway. Now for mascara. You want to apply a lot of mascara for a really effective look.
Walking like I'm feeling myself. I just hit the high, smell like I'm posted on the shelf. Cha-cha, samba, dancing like a contest. Sicko with the moves, I wish I'm well. Can you dip like I dip? Can you surf the wave from the drip? Keep your grip, now rock the ship. Say goodbye, love, don't move your hips. Let me see you shake it on my pelo en la pista. Watch me while I sway it, I won't fake it, let's go salsa. Por tiempo.
Okay, now onto the red lips. Will make this look really effective.
Baby, tienes un movimiento. Cuando te mueves siento que me vuelvo loco y no me puedo aguantar. Como tú lo haces lento. No te me despegues porque si te vas yo te vuelvo a buscar y hacerlo otra vez, baby. Qué rica te ves. Yo te quiero tocar, que te probé. Es que me lleva.
Okay, well this is the finished look. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. And tell me out what you thought of it. Let me know in the comments below. And please, if you liked it so much and you want to retry it, please send me a picture of it or do a video of it. I would love to see you incorporate the same look. Also, there will be 2 videos that are popping up here. One will be to do with makeup, just like this one, and one will be to do with healthy supplements. So if you like fitness and you want to know what is the best protein shake to take, that will be a good video for you. Also, there will be the subscribe button here. Click it, completely free of charge. And I'll see you on my next videos. Bye for now.